this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online. That how you can help players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests are required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Free convenience of room sound online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description. For easy and private problem and booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you